Hello friends, how are you? I hope your day is better than yesterday. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet these unique patterns either for mask adapter, bookmark, headband, bracelets, etc. This is what it looks like. Okay, now be ready and let's get started. To make these patterns, I'm going to use 3 layers of yarns, a crochet hook number 6, and a pair of scissors. As usual, I begin with a slip knot, four chains, one treble crochet in chain 1, pull off the loops and make 6 half double crochet on the treble crochet. Do yarn over and pull it through each of the 6 incomplete half double crochet. Maybe it's a bit challenging because I'm using 3 layers of yarn. This is 1, yarn over again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will have 2 loops left on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through these 2 loops, then make chain 2. Turn the work, make 6 single crochet on this chain, 1, make it slowly and loosely, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then make chain 2, 1, 2, turn the work, make 1 slip stitch in each of these 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then make chain 1, Make one single crochet in one of these two chains we made early. Exactly, you need to make one single crochet in chain 1. Yarn over, pull it through all loops. This is what the patterns look like. Then make chain 3 to make pattern number 2. Make one treble crochet in these 2 loops. Make 6 incomplete half double crochet. Yarn over, pull it through each of these 6 incomplete half double crochet. This means that you need to do yarn over and pull it through the loops as much as 6 times. There are 2 loops left on the hook now. Yarn over, pull it through these last 2 loops. Then make chain 2, 1, 2, turn the work and make 6 single crochet on the chain. Then chain 2 again and turn the work. Make one slip stitch in each of the 6 stitches. Chain 1, make one single crochet on one of 2 chains to be made early. Now yarn over, pull it through these last 2 loops. This is what the patterns look like. You just need to make some more patterns until you get the length you desire. I'm just made 5 patterns. I think this is enough. So for the last part, I'm going to change 14 as a hooker. This is an optional pattern. You can ignore this one if you don't like it. Make a slip stitch here and chain 1. Cut the yarn. And hide the yarn tail. Cut the yarn tail. Finally, this beautiful and multi-purpose design is ready. This is what it looks like. It can be used as fast mask adapter by putting 2 buttons on it, but it also can be used as bookmark. Well everybody, I hope you like these patterns and see you again on the next video.